Hi guys, I just stripped down a whole load of vapes, and I mean a whole load of vapes, and I've been going through checking the battery condition on them. Any that are below 3 volts I'm going to dispose of anyway, and as you can see it isn't many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's about 9 there, and there's possibly 3 more that I will show you. Whereas we've got about 30, we've got about 40, maybe 50 vapes there. So not a bad percentage of success. These ones, I just thought I'd show you, these are actually low. I might just try charging them, see if they'll come back up at all. But, well, where are we? Oh, that one's only just below 3, so that one might come back up. Other way round. Yeah, it's about 2.5. Yeah, possibly might come back up. The ones that I've thrown out were down below 1. Yeah, there you go, 1.9. That probably is a bit too low. Get on there. Yeah, that one's probably a bit too low. Whereas the others, just take one as an example. Yeah, there's your difference. That one's got plenty in it. 3.7 volts is sort of the standing charge for a LiPo. You charge them up to 4.2, and you can drop them down to about 3.3. Much below that, and they're supposed to start deteriorating. So that's why I'm saying those may or may not be worth keeping. And then these two, I noticed, are a slightly different format to the way they normally they're normally put together. They've got the red and the black ends on them, but when you actually get in and look at them, that end looks normal. The other end, they've actually got both terminals brought out to the one end. Oh, let's go close up. Yeah, they've actually brought the negative and the positive both up to one end of the battery. Because when I was taking them apart, I noticed these looked a little bit odd. So I thought we might just poke, oh, that one is the same. So I just thought we might try and poke around on this and figure out what they've done, whether they've got a protection circuit in the end here. Because none of the others have protection circuits inbuilt. I thought it's just possible that might be what this board is. Or it may just be a convenient way of soldering it. Yeah, I think they've got a metal strip going up from this end, up the side, and coming out there. Yeah. I was hoping it might have been a protection board in there, but I don't think it is. I think it's just they've done that so it's easier to solder or connect wires to it at the one end. Oh, we can actually see it there. There it is. Under the Captain tape, the yellow tape. That's interesting. I haven't seen a battery like that before. So it was worth showing you. Yeah, so it looks like a brass strip going to make contact at that end and bring it up to there. Oh well, that was interesting, but not what I was hoping. I was hoping they might have had a little chip under there to give it protection over voltage and under voltage. No, I can't even get that off without cutting that strap. Well, I suppose it's only one battery out of the 50 odd that I've got there. We could go a bit further. Have a look at the bottom. No, that's just sticky stuff on the bottom. There's no chip there. Or is there? Let's cut this. There is. There is. All right, if we can keep this in focus, I reckon it's a fuse. I don't know what the 6 or 9 actually tells us. I reckon that's a fuse. I'll just try and point here. Just here we've got little dots. Those are, do you call it plated through holes? In other words, what's connected on this side is connected to the other side. And if we turn it over, that side is the positive lead. And that side there, or that piece there, is the positive off the battery. So that goes to the middle there, comes through there, through this, which I think is a fuse, down to that side, through there, and comes out on there. So that's my guess. I can't say that's definitely what it is, but that's what I think it is. I think it's a fuse. So this side goes straight from the negative terminal from the battery. That's what the B stands for. So battery negative goes straight. You can see the copper track under the green there. Goes straight to that negative wire. Whereas this one, positive strap from the battery, has got a dark line around it where it doesn't go anywhere. It goes through. So I'm just saying this again, through to that side, through those little through plated holes, through that, which I think is a fuse, down there, and out on there. So yeah, that's the first time I've seen that on a battery, or certainly on a vape. Well, it is the first time I've seen it on a battery. So it's some sort of protection they've put in on the vape batteries. Stay in focus for a second. You might see little indentations on there. That's where I've been pushing my meter on there, trying to measure it. But it doesn't even show up on my meter. It just shows up as short. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.